Turning $1,000 into $100,000 might sound impossible, but it's been done. Let me show you how one disciplined investor did it step by step. Meet Alex. In 2013, he invested $1,000 into Bitcoin, not to gamble, but because he believed in blockchain technology. He didn't chase hype, didn't panic sell, and didn't try to time the market. 10 years later, his small decision compounded into 6 figures. But what exactly did Alex do? 1. He started early and consistently. He treated investing like a routine, not a one-time event. Even when markets crashed, he accumulated small amounts regularly. 2. He understood compounding. By reinvesting gains and holding through volatility, he benefited from the exponential effect of compounding. The longer he stayed, the greater the curve. 3. He managed risk wisely. He diversified, never putting everything in one coin or asset. When profits came, he took some off the table and reallocated to safer investments. 4. He focused on the long term. While others panicked, he zoomed out. His patience became his edge. Want the best crypto and finance tools? Check out the link in the description area, and don't forget to follow Darlington Academy for tips to protect your money and grow your wealth in the world of crypto, personal, and global finance.